Man, is it cold out today. Alright, I'm mounting a snowblower, a BX2750D, onto a Kubota BX2200. I palletized this here, which is awesome. I could store it up there and then just drag it down here with the pallet jack. The first thing to install is the shaft, which I store inside. I'll install the shaft and then I'll mount this plate up to it, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so that gear, not gear, but splined shaft rather. So basically you line it up where you can feel it, and then you pull this. You can't see that, can you? Let's see. And you pull this thing back, and that lets it slide onto the shaft, and then it clicks into place and you're done. Now, come along to the front. We're going to install this here. First thing I'm going to do is make sure my cables are out of the way. I think they do take them out. Take the pins out. Make sure these are pushed all the way that way. Set it on there like that. Now we want to connect our shaft before we go too far. Okay. Connected, we want to put our pins back in. Now we need to tighten these things down. I like to just kind of wiggle it, make sure it's somewhat in the middle, and I like to try and do it somewhat evenly so you can count the number of turns or do them at the same time. Okay, so that's solid. As you can see, we have the shaft that actually connects into the snowblower. There's a little lever here that will pull it in. But anyway, now I'm going to connect these lines. I think you can run them through that little hole there. I think that's what that's for. And these are color-coded, blue and red. So this one's blue, this one's red. Alright, so get your lines installed. And then we're going to get this snowblower turned around. So, I suppose I need to take it off this pallet. I think I do anyway. Maybe I'll try and drive the tractor up and see if it lines up at all. Definitely not how it's supposed to be done. I would take it off of the pallet next time. Anyway, come down here, flip this lever this way, and that'll lock it into place. Then inside there, right here, you know, it's got electric start. I can always turn it on again. Inside here, there's a little hole where this thing goes. Yeah, definitely next time I will take it off of the pallet, make sure you set this thing down. There's a little guide here that you're supposed to have up. Maybe I need to move it instead. So there it is, installed. Yeah, I installed the snowblower up on a pallet, and that is not the way to do it. So don't do that. So anyway, it turns out that the up and the down works just fine. So I'm gonna leave it, and it should be all ready to go. I'll hit the grease fittings once, and then should be ready for the storm. Thanks for watching.